Hello everyone, welcome again to our students testimonial. So let's hear the success story of one of our students in graphics designing course.
Hi, hello everyone. My name is Tawhidul Hoq. I'm from Bangladesh. My age is 17 years old. I enrolled in ICSA for graphic designing course. I wanted to deepen my knowledge and to develop my creativity and skills in making edits and all in graphic designing. That's why I enrolled here.
How motivate you to enroll in graphics designing?
One of my friends used to take classes from here, so he really gave me a great review about this course and institute. So I really motivated from him to join here and learn.
Yes, that's nice. Yeah. So one of your friends introduced you to ICSA.
Yeah.
So how was your experience here in ICSA and your experience also with your instructor?
It was a great experience. The environment was so good, and my instructor was Muzammil.
Yes.
He really helped me a lot in making shapes and all, like posters and all. I really know now how to make this all. So he really helped me, and it was a great experience with everyone.
Yeah, so Mr. Muzammil teach you from Adobe Photoshop, right? Illustrator, CorelDRAW, and InDesign. Which subject you love the most? Your favorite ones?
CorelDRAW was so easy, and I liked that most. And it was so easy to make everything, and it was so fun.
Yeah.
There was a lot of things to make, like shapes and all, so it was easy.
That's good. Yeah, that's good. Okay. So, do you think how ICSA can help you or help you become confident in yourself while learning this course?
I didn't understand.
Yeah. I mean, how ICSA help you to become more confident while taking this course? Yeah.
It really helped me,
in gaining your skills.
Yeah,
right?
in gaining my skills.
Yeah.
And from this course, I can really do a work I can do my own business about graphic designing.
Yes.
And so they really made me a confident here. So
yeah, to become a freelancer.
Yeah,
yes, that's
I'm a
great.
freelancer.
Yes, because a graphic designer now is really booming. We already saw a lot of advertisement in the Facebook because we are all in the social media, and some of the business is all in the Facebook and Instagram and TikTok, everything, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So what is if you have a friend or colleagues or anyone who is watching right now, what is your advice to them?
I would really recommend them to join here. Not only graphic designing, there are more courses here. So everyone is here so friendly and good. And I would really recommend them to join here and to gain
take the first step.
Yeah,
yes.
take the first step and gain their skills.
Yes.
And everything, creativity.
Yes. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your wonderful advice to our viewers, of course. And so, yeah, to everyone also who is watching right now, if you're interested to become a freelancer as a graphic designer, so come and join us. You can contact us in our WhatsApp number +96599302850. So before we end this live, you have a message to your instructor, to your family. Yeah.
Thank you everyone, and thank you my instructor and all. They were I was with them for 4 months, and they really helped me, and they were friendly. So thanks to them, and thanks to my family to support. Everyone.
Yes. Thank you, everyone. And this is Ms. Rachel again from ICSA Kuwait, and I'm Mr.
Tawheed.
Yes, your partner in success. Thank you so much, everyone, and see you next time to our live update.